What's going on, guys? I have a flight home in a few hours, but I'm still in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I had a couple hours, and I'm with Grant from KartFab, and we're going to be working on a mini bike here. I've always wanted to build like a silent, like stealthy mini bike or go-kart. They're all freaking loud as crap. So this is something good. We haven't got our hands on one of those before, but you said you can buy it on eBay for like 60 bucks.
Yeah, so what we got here is my nephew's mini bike. As you know, if you put an open header on a mini bike, it's going to be super, super, super loud. So what we've got here is this little guy, right? This is off of a Honda Grom, and it is a super, super quiet muffler that goes on a little 4-stroke motorcycle. So we should just be able to chop the header right off and literally bolt this thing on, weld up a few tabs on it, and we'll be good to go.
For those of you wondering where Ike is, Ike actually used to live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. He lived here when he was a kid for like 9 years, so he has a ton of friends and family here. So that's what he's doing. So Grant was like, you know, I'm gonna be putting a new muffler on a mini bike. Come on out. And I was like, sure, let's do it. So like Grant said, this is off of a Honda Grom, and that's basically like a 2018 version of a CT70. It's like the smallest street legal motorcycle Honda makes, and they come with 125s?
Yeah, 125cc 4-stroke, and it might have gears on it, might be automatic, I don't really know. It's like, kind of like a dirt bike engine, really.
Yeah.
We gotta get the seat off and see just where we need to chop the exhaust. So
Sounds
let's
good.
check that out. All right, let's get this bad boy off. All right, so thinking something like that. Like, literally just like...
Yeah, dude.
Well, I'd say let's just chop it and see what happens, you know?
Yep. Yep. All right, I'll do it.
All right.
All right, now somewhere around here, right?
We do it right over here in my garage.
I had no idea Grant was so safe.
Oh yeah,
good
that's
now.
on. That's on.
So y'all probably know how loud a 212 is without a muffler, but in case you forgot.
That's the before, okay? That's the before.
Your neighbors must hate you.
Like a glove. Sort of. Chop this off.
Yep.
And then just do one tab right there.
One hanger.
One hanger. So what we're thinking here, weld it on this angle, right?
Yep. Drill
So
a hole in
it'll
it. The slotted hole. Yeah, I like
Right?
that idea. Yeah.
And then, because this engine actually moves forward and backward, okay?
Yep.
To tighten the chain.
Yep.
So we'll drill a slot right in the middle of this, so when we move it back and forth, it won't jack with the angle here.
Yep.
So we'll go right up in there.
I like it.
All right, let's do it.
That's why you put the... All right. Yeah.
Safety.
All these people down in Texas like to take their guards off their grinders, and I can't stand it. So, no.
Right.
Oh, you got hit with a piece of metal?
I did.
Oh, man. It's, you know,
Safety glasses.
no pain, no gain.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
So something like that. Oh yeah. Perfect.
Oh, yeah. That's going to do it.
All right.
Cut a slot?
Yeah, I'll take the rest off it, and then we'll cut a slot. Punch it right about there.
Oh, yikes.
Right there. All right. So that is definitely how you use calipers. That's what they're intended for, to keep that point real sharp.
Oh. All right, man.
Yep.
Keep doing it.
Okay. Gonna do something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and plug the welder in. We'll get the muffler attached to the header, bolt it down tight, take this 5/16 inch bolt, put it right through here, and bolt that down tight, and then we'll go ahead and weld that up.
This 6-inch blade does work.
Yeah, that's on. I hope.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Cover. All right, hold on. All right, so she's tacked. Might as well go ahead and
fully weld it.
Yep. Cover.
It's on fire.
All right.
It's probably good. Look at that. Not going
Awesome.
anywhere. Ready?
Ready as they'll ever be. Grab the brakes. Brakes work.
Do they? Really?
Yeah.
I've never known any of your stuff's brakes to work.
We just need a little adjustment. All right. Kill switch.
Yep. Choke.
Choke. Let's give it that pull. Does that sound like a dirt bike or what?
It kind of does. That's real quiet. You can hear the valves louder than the exhaust.
That is super quiet.
Yeah. Turn out.
You gotta let it warm up. Gotta let it warm up.
Okay.
You don't want to risk breaking it.
Right. Dude, those tires. I need some of those tires.
That's not bad.
No, it's pretty quiet.
All right, so we're just getting these little Allen head bolts in.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
let's go
Quick ride?
take it for a spin.
Oh, it's pretty quick. Grant, you and your brakes, dog. You and your brakes. Woo!
You got pretty good pickup, man.
Yeah.
For a clutch?
Yeah, it's just a standard 10-tooth clutch, 50-tooth on the back. Hey, look at that. We got a little rubber there on the muffler. How'd that happen?
Wonder where that's from.
Oh.
Dude.
It's quiet, man. I like it.
Yeah. The brakes could be better, you know, like they'll engage right about here, you know, from here to here, nothing, then boom.
Yep. And then a little bit the rest of the way.
Well, cool.
Not a bad little mini bike, man.
Yeah, not bad. My nephew will like it.
Yeah, what's his name?
Colin.
Colin.
All right.
Okay.
And what Colin doesn't know is that you're at my house right now, and he's coming by tonight to pick this thing up. So
Oh,
we're
for
going to
real?
surprise him
Okay.
with the muffler, the mini bike, presented by none other than John from
Ayo.
Cars and Cameras. Sorry.
Never done one of these before.
Oh, yeah?
I feel like I'm on like overhauling. I feel like Chip Foose right now.
Yeah, are you nervous? Are you nervous?
Extremely nervous.
All right, so here it is. All right, Colin, turn around. Come get your mini bike. Cool.
What's up, man?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. We worked on your mini bike today. Got a nice muffler on it, so it's quiet. I rode it around. It's pretty quick. Hi, I'm John. Hey, John. David, nice to meet you. It's pretty quick, dude. Be careful out there.
It's awesome. I don't know what else to say.
Wanna hop on? Take a little test run on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't that quiet? That's super quiet. Let it rip. All right.
So what do you think, Colin?
It's cool.
Yeah, we were up all night working on it.
Oh
dude.
man, it was rough. Like we had to go through so many different design changes until we finally got it. Until John could finally strike an arc.
So thanks for watching this video, guys. Shout out to Grant from KartFab. Visit KartFab.com for
Free go-kart plans!
Ayo, and of course Colin, my man here. Yeah, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews. Support the channel by picking up some merchandise at cars-cameras.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.